Welcome to this lesson on infinite limits. In calculus, we often encounter situations where a function's value doesn't stop at a specific number, but grows without bounds. Today, we will explore what it means when the limit of a function approaches infinity. Let's define what we are looking at. When we write the limit of f of x as x approaches a equals infinity, we are saying that as x gets closer and closer to the function output gets larger and larger. It is important to remember that infinity is not a real number. This notation simply describes the behavior of the graph shooting upwards forever. Here is the graph of 1 over x squared. Notice how the curve behaves near 0. Whether you approach from the left or the right, the y values explode upwards. This is a classic example of a limit equaling positive infinity. The graph gets closer to the y-axis, but never touches it. Sometimes the direction matters. The left-hand limit considers x values slightly smaller than while the right-hand limit considers values slightly larger. In some functions, one side might go to positive infinity while the other goes to negative infinity, shooting downwards. Let's analyze this specific function. -1 divided by x minus 2 squared. The denominator is squared, so it is always positive. The numerator is -1. A negative number divided by a positive number is always negative. As the bottom gets tiny, the result gets huge in the negative direction, so the limit is negative infinity. This leads us to the concept of vertical asymptotes. The line x equals is a vertical asymptote if the function goes to positive or negative infinity at that point. The graph approaches this invisible line but never actually crosses it, guiding the function's infinite behavior. How do you know if it is positive or negative infinity without a graph? Simple. Just pick a test number very close to your limit point. Plug it in and check the signs of the numerator and denominator. If they are the same sign, it is positive infinity. If they are different, it is negative infinity. Try this one mentally. The limit as x approaches 5 from the right of x plus 1 over x minus 5. Plug in a number like 5.1. The top is about 6, which is positive. The bottom is 0.1, which is also positive. Positive divided by positive gives us positive infinity. To wrap up, infinity is a behavior, not a destination. Vertical asymptotes occur where these infinite limits happen. Always check the left and right sides separately if needed, and use test points to determine the sign of the infinity. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.